Before doing any work on any appliance, you got to make sure that the warranty is over on it, because if you open up the case like I did, it's automatically cancels the warranty. So just be cautious. If you're working on a system that's still on warranty, you better take it to the service. If it's an old appliance, then of course you can work on it and try to fix it on your own. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Take a look at this microwave. It appears it's faulty, and the symptoms are it's turning off totally after some time of using it. So let me show you what's going on with this. So we set the time, 1 minute. If it's been standing for a while, it might be okay to run it for 1 minute. It's gonna work, but if you try to do it again, it's not gonna work the whole 1 minute. We'll try it. We'll see. So yeah, it worked fine for the first minute. Oh no, see? It shut it off. No power, no nothing. You can't do anything with it. It's off for good. And now it's just a matter of time. It might take 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes to come back to reset it. And when it comes back, I will show you again. See what's happening, and then we're gonna take it apart to see what's the problem, what's causing it. It's back. It reset it, came back to normal state. So we're gonna try the second test, see if it works for the whole minute. I bet it's gonna turn off faster. Yep, there it goes again. So you saw it happening. See? So let's dive in to the microwave and see what's the problem. Disassemble the microwave cover off. What you want to do first is definitely disconnect the power plug. We don't want anyone hurting themselves with the power. And so this current microwave have multiple screws on the cover to undo it before you can open it. So you can see one here, one down here, over here, then this one, here, down there, and one more over here. Undo those and you can open the cover. I will try to open it. For you. When you're done unscrewing the screws, just slide it backwards and just take it off. It's easy. So what do we see here? So this right here is a magnetron that's making a magnetic field to heat up the food, and this part over here is the fan that's blowing cold air on the magnetron to keep it cool. What it is, it's not working. and thus making the thermostat to trip the unit off, not to overheat. So let's plug it in and see if it's spinning or not, and then we'll move over from that point. So let's put the timer on and see what's happening. So as you see, it's not spinning, so it's just a matter of a couple seconds to have this unit overheat and trip the circuit off, not to overheat. So this is our problem here. As I can see from the top, it looks like it's been dropped, or it's broken up here, so probably it's just stuck in. We'll take it off and see problem. So to be able to take off the fan housing, you need to undo this screw and this screw over here, and the one on the bottom over here, and this kind of free up the housing from the unit. Then you must disconnect these two wires, the power wire and the grounding wire. Or probably you can leave the grounding wire on, it's not going to be in your way. And on the bottom over here you will have to disconnect these wires, and then you can take out the fan unit. So here we have the fan unit, and as you can see from here, it's broken apart, and this is making the fan unit to stuck. Yeah, it's possible to fix this one by just welding these pieces back, or using like some sort of a bracket, screw those two together. But I'm gonna try to find a spare one to replace the whole unit. So here you go, guys. I end up just doing some DIY stuff on this fan. Made some brackets to hold the fan into place. Didn't mess up with welding these parts together, because it's kind of holding good with these two brackets in place. And we'll see when I put it back in the microwave, is it working or not, but from looking at it right now, it looks good. So see you in a couple seconds. The fan unit is back in the microwave. It spins freely. We'll see when I plug it in. And yeah, well, we'll see. So let's put the timer on. Again, 1 minute. Oh well, let's put 2 minutes. And you can see, works like a charm. So it spins and cools down the magnetron, and well, works. So, and you can see here, even after work, the fan is still spinning, blowing the cold air on the magnetron to keep it cool for the next time you're gonna use it. So thank you. See you next time when something breaks down.